channel, you guys. It is AngelicaMonyae, and I'm back again with a makeup tutorial, and today is going to be on the eyebrow. I did my foundation and my highlight and my contour, so we finna get straight into the eyebrows.
So I am using my Benefit Schoolie to brush out my eyebrows. You just brush them out in the direction they was growing. Then I'm going to go in with my LA Colors brown pencil to fill in my brows. First, you want to start with the bottom. You want to basically copy the bottom of your brow first. That's what I'm doing. I'm copying the bottom of my brow first. And as I do that, I try to raise my brow to get that arch and see my arch. And that's all I'm doing, you guys. Now I am basically drawing the top of my brow. I'm just copying the top of my brow. It's simple, like you just copy the top of your brow. And then you use your schoolie to blend it in. Then you will go back in with your pencil and fill in the gaps. And I'm basically doing the same thing on the other eye.
The extra stuff is not mandatory. All you need is you can get $1 eyebrow pencil. Go to the beauty supply and get an LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is about like $3.99 or $2.99, something like that. And then I believe this was $2 or $3.99 in my local beauty supply. You can get this for $3.99. So that's not a lot, but everything is probably like $6, $7. I didn't set my face yet, but I like my little highlight.
Yes, I'm back again with the voiceover. But now we just highlighting our eyebrow with the concealer brush from Ruby Kisses that I got from my local beauty supply. So when you highlight your eyebrow, you want to start with the bottom first. Usually when I'm not recording, I would pick the top of my eyebrow up and try to find my arch so it could be more defined. But you could just use the concealer brush and highlight the bottom part of your eyebrow first. Just how you filled in your eyebrow, you want to conceal it. Now basically the concealer conceal the mistakes that you made, and it defines the eyebrow a little more. And I would do that to the top of my brow also, as you will see in the video. But it's simple, like it's very simple. So the highlight, your under eye highlight and your eyebrow highlight is going to connect together. So give your face that defined shape and give your eyebrow that defined shape.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you liked it. This is the before, this is the after.